Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of grape cultivation, one of the most ancient and cherished agricultural practices globally. From vineyard to winery, the journey of grapes is as rich as their flavors. Whether destined for fine wines, fresh consumption, or dried into raisins, the story of grape farming is a blend of tradition, science, and technology. Let's explore how grapes are grown, cared for, and harvested to ensure every bunch meets the highest standards. Grapes are one of the most versatile and widely cultivated fruits in the world, celebrated for their sweet and juicy flavor. Found in an array of varieties, grapes are grown for numerous purposes, including fresh consumption, wine production, juice making, and drying into raisins. This ancient crop traces its origins back thousands of years, with evidence of grape cultivation and winemaking dating as far back as 6000 BCE in regions like the Middle East and the Mediterranean. Today, vineyards span continents, thriving in temperate climates where the balance of sun, soil, and care allows these delicate fruits to flourish. From lush vineyards to bustling harvests, the story of grapes is a testament to human ingenuity and the deep connection between agriculture and culture. The journey of growing grapes begins with careful planning, as these fruits require specific conditions to thrive and produce high yields. Selecting the right variety is crucial, as grape types differ based on their intended use, such as table grapes, winemaking, or raisin production. Each variety has unique requirements for climate, soil, and care, making the selection process the foundation of successful grape cultivation. Grapevines flourish in well-drained soils with moderate fertility. The land is typically prepared by plowing and incorporating organic matter to improve soil structure and fertility. Slightly acidic to neutral soils pH 5.5 to 7 are preferred, and ensuring proper drainage is critical to prevent root rot. Additionally, the vineyard site must have ample sunlight exposure, as grapes require long hours of direct sunlight for photosynthesis and fruit ripening. Hillsides or slopes are often chosen because they allow for better airflow, which reduces the risk of fungal diseases. Once the site is prepared, grapevines are planted. This usually happens in early spring when the risk of frost has passed. The spacing between rows and plants depends on the variety and the type of trellising system employed. Trellises are essential in grape farming, providing support for the vines and ensuring that they grow in a manageable and productive manner. The type of trellis used can influence the sunlight exposure and air circulation of the vines, which are critical for disease prevention and fruit quality. In the first few years, young grapevines require diligent care. This involves regular watering, weed control, and protection from pests and diseases. Drip irrigation is a common practice, as it delivers water directly to the roots while minimizing waste. Mulching around the base of the vines helps retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Farmers also apply balanced fertilizers to provide essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium during the vine's establishment phase. Pruning is a cornerstone of grapevine management. It involves removing excess growth to direct the plant's energy toward producing high-quality grapes. Training the vines along the trellis ensures that the grapes receive even sunlight exposure and that the plants are easy to manage during harvesting. Pruning and training also enhance air circulation, reducing the likelihood of fungal infections such as powdery mildew. Grapevines are susceptible to various pests and diseases, including grapevine moths, aphids, and fungal infections. Farmers implement integrated pest management (IPM) strategies, which include biological controls, cultural practices, and judicious use of chemical treatments. Regular monitoring of the vineyard is essential to detect early signs of problems and address them promptly. Throughout the growing season, farmers closely monitor the health and development of the grapevines. Canopy management, which involves trimming excess leaves and shoots, is critical to improving fruit quality and ensuring even ripening. This practice also helps reduce the risk of disease by enhancing air circulation around the vines. Grapevines typically begin producing fruit 2 to 3 years after planting. However, it takes about 5 years for the vines to reach their peak productivity. By this time, they are well established, and their root systems are capable of supporting abundant fruit production. Farmers continue to fine-tune their care routines to maximize the yield and quality of the grapes. Growing grapes is both an art and a science. It requires patience, skill, and a deep understanding of the plant's needs. From preparing the soil to nurturing young vines and managing mature plants, every step is integral to the success of the vineyard. With proper care and modern farming techniques, grape farmers can produce bountiful harvests that meet the demands of diverse markets. Timing is crucial as the sugar content, acidity, and flavor profile must be optimal. For wine production, this is measured using tools like a refractometer to assess the brick sugar level. Depending on the variety and intended use, grape harvesting usually occurs in late summer or early autumn. Handpicking is common for premium wine grapes, as it allows for careful selection of only the ripest clusters. However, large-scale grape production often employs mechanical harvesters, which can cover vast vineyard areas efficiently. These machines gently shake the vines, allowing ripe grapes to fall onto a collection system while leaving the stems and unripe fruit behind. After harvesting, the grapes are transported to processing facilities. For wine grapes, they are sorted, crushed, and fermented, while table grapes are cleaned, graded, and packed for distribution. Raisin production involves drying the grapes, either in the sun or with specialized dehydrators. Grape care focuses on maintaining the health of the vines through balanced irrigation and fertilization. Drip irrigation is widely used to conserve water while ensuring the vines receive adequate moisture. Foliar sprays with micronutrients help boost the quality and yield of grapes. Canopy management is another critical aspect. By trimming excess leaves and shoots, grape farmers ensure better air circulation and sunlight penetration, which improves fruit quality and reduces the risk of disease. Additionally, netting systems are often used to protect the grapes from birds and other wildlife. Modern grape farming integrates advanced technology to enhance productivity and quality. Precision agriculture tools, such as drones and sensors, are used to monitor vineyard conditions. They provide real-time data on soil moisture, pest infestations, and vine health, enabling farmers to make informed decisions. Mechanical harvesters and sorting machines have revolutionized grape harvesting, ensuring efficiency and reducing labor costs. Additionally, automated irrigation systems equipped with weather-based controls help optimize water usage.